Okay, so here we got the toilet here. The flapper looks pretty worn out. We're going to replace that. The handle, of course, is broke here, so we're going to get a new handle, new flapper. We should be back in good order. All right, so we shall start with flapper first. Get him on in there. All right, get that one out of there. Oh wow, it really was in bad shape.
So it basically is deteriorating.
Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't have like a lot of hum there, a lot of hissing and problems.
Yes.
Alright, that was fun. Basically, I got you the same one you already had, so that'll be nice. Have a nice fit to it. Look at that. I think even that looks almost like the same exact one. So if that one was holding, this one will definitely will. Alright, good.
Good to know it's quality.
Oh yeah, for sure. Absolutely, it's quality even when it's no good. That'll work. That'll work. And let me see. Throw this angle here they got going. Give it a flush. Yeah, perfect. All right, so you got a new flapper, new handle. You're good to go.
I appreciate it.
Works good. That's a decent flush.